Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this Marathi look for you guys on the occasion of Gudi Padwa. This is a springtime festival that marks the traditional new year for many Marathi and Konkani Hindus. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. To prep my skin, I always start with a moisturizer, but before that, I like to spread my face with some water. If you want, you can also switch it up with a toner. For moisturizer, I am applying the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. Next, I'm applying a facial oil. This one's Indulge Essential Wonder Gold Oil. In case you have an oily skin type, feel free to skip this step. And to moisturize my lips, I'm using the Baby Lips Lip Gloss by Maybelline. Post this, I like to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that my skin can absorb all the goodness, and then I spray my face with the Pack Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. After that, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer on my entire face. To fill in the pores of my forehead and my nosy and the under eye area, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. And to deal with the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using the orange color corrector by Miss Claire. In case you're interested in a detailed explanation on color correction, I linked the video for it in the I button. For foundation, I'm using the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation in the shade 2. This one is a little runny in consistency, but it gives medium to buildable coverage. This blends in so beautifully into my skin with a beauty blender. However, it can be a little drying on the skin, so make sure that you prep your skin thoroughly in case you have a dry skin. To brighten my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'll be using this duo stick by Wet n Wild in the shade medium to bring these features forward, and to blend it I'm using my damp beauty blender. I'm also using this to clean up underneath my brows. For blush, I'm using this corally pink shade from the Sivana Colors Ultra Blush Palette with my angled brush. And to bring back some dimensions and structure to my face, I'm using the Hula Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics with the angled brush to the usual areas like my cheekbone, circumference of my forehead, to chisel my jawline, and to the sides of my nose. For highlighter, I'm using this ivory shade from Sivana Colors Ultra Lush palette on the high points of my face. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas of my brows using this brown eyeshadow from Ultra Eyeshadow Palette by Makeup Revolution, and to spread the color across, I'm using a spoolie so that it looks more natural. To set my lids, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder, and I'm using a sticky tape to get those dramatic straight edges. To warm up my crease, I'm using the shade Sienna from Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To deepen my crease area further, I'm depositing the same shade Sienna from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For the inner and the outer corners, I'm dipping into this emerald shade from the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it using my smaller blending brush by APH Cosmetics. For the middle of my lid, I'm using this gold bronze shade from the Soft Glam palette by APH Cosmetics with my flat brush by APH Cosmetics. And for that pop of shade for the middle of my lid, I'm applying this bright gold shade from the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild with my small short shader brush. And here I'm just trying to blend in that gold shade and that emerald shade so that there are no harsh edges with my pack brush in the style 126. And to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using the shade Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette by APH Cosmetics with my flat shot shader brush. For my lower lash line, I'm using this emerald shade from the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild with my pack brush in the style 126. To tightline and to fill in my waterline, I'm using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm coating my lashes with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lipstick, I'm using this nude brown shade from Faces Canada in the shade Skin Deep. And for falsies, I'm using the Ardell Natural Lashes in the style 102. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a pink blouse and a clean sari, some traditional jewelry, a nathni, and my crescent moon bindi. I love doing such traditional colorful looks. Do let me know what do you guys think in the comment section. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much. Happy Gudi Padwa to all of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.